Good morning, children. I'm Ketan sir, working as mathematics teacher in Dr. Vision School. In previous class, I have explained topic rational number. Today also we have to continue the same topic rational numbers only. Okay. See, in rational numbers exercise 1.1, how many sums we have completed? Up to third Roman we have completed. Next to fourth Roman. See, 3 by 6, 4 by 3, minus 5 by 4, and minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. Arrange the following rational numbers in ascending order. So, we have to write in ascending order. Okay. So, how to write ascending order? First of all, we have to take LCM for this 4 rational numbers. So, find out to see given rational numbers, are 3 by 6, 4 by 3, minus 5 by 4, and minus 3 by 2. LCM of 6, 3, 4, and 2. That means 6, 4, 6, 3, 4, 2. 2 3s are 3. Okay. 2 2s are 2 1s are. Again 2, which is not 3 is not divisible by 2. So 3, 2 1s are 1. Again 3 1s are 3 1s are 1 1. So LCM is equal to 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So next 3 by 6 is equal to 3 by 6 into 6 3s are 12. That's why 6 2s are 12. Sorry, 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are, so multiply the numerator also 2, denominator also 2. Why? Because 6 2s are 12. Okay. Next 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Next rational number 4 by 3. 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 means 4 by 3. 3 we should get the denominator 12. That's why we know that 3 4s are 12. Multiply by 4 denominator. The same numerator also we should multiply with 4. 4 4s are 16. 3 4s are 12. Next rational number minus 5 by 4. So minus 5 by 4 into, we know that 4 3s are 12. Okay. So minus 5 3s are 15, 4 3s are 12. Next to minus 3 by 2, that is equal to minus 3 by 2 into 2 6 are 12. So multiply numerator also with 6. Minus 3 6 are minus 18. 2 6 are 12. So now 6 2s are 12. 3 4s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 2 6 are 12. Now denominators 12, 12, 12, 12. Now denominators are same. Now according to numerator we have to take a decision. See, smallest minus 18. Minus 18 by 12 less than minus 15 by 12, which is less than 6 by 12, it is less than 16 by 12. So minus 18 by 12 indicates the rational numbers minus 3 by 2, minus 5 by 4, next to 4 by 3, next to 6 by 12 indicates 3 by 6, next to 16 by 12, 4 by 3. So this is the ascending order. Okay. Now it is ascending order. Children, observe the solution. Next. Note down, children. I hope it's very clear. Next problem. Next to B, sorry, fourth Roman B, 3 by 5, 1 by 7, minus 3 by 2, and 6 by 8. So, solution, first we have to take LCM of 5, 7, 2, and 8. So 5, 7, 2, 8. 5, 7, so 4, 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. Next. So 2, 5, 7, 1, 2 2 ja. Next 5, 7, 1, 2 1 ja. So we know that so LCM is equal to 5 and 7 are prime numbers. That's why 5 1 ja 5, 7 1 ja 7 only. There is no common factors. That's why 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 5 ja 40, 47 ja 280. Next, so LCM is equal to 280. Next, 3 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5 into same. So 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are. So 556 are 556 are 280. We should get the denominator is 280. Why? Because LCM is 280. That's why we should get the denominator is 280. 5 6 are 33, 5 5 is 25, 25 plus 3 28. So the numerator also we should multiply with 56 only. 3 6 are 18, 1, 3 5 are 15 plus 1, 16, 168 by 280. Next, 1 by 7 is equal to 1 by 7 into 40. 41 is 40, 7 40 is 280. Next, minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2 into 2, 140 is so 420 by 280. Next to 6 by 8, 6 by 8 into, we should get 280 denominator, 35, 6 5 is 33, 6 3 is 18, 18 plus 3, 21, okay, 210. That's why only now ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. That means minus 420 by 280 less than next, which is smallest. Next smallest to 40 by 280. Next smallest to 168 by 280 less than next to 210 by 280. Minus 420, that is minus 3 by 2 less than 1 by 7 less than 3 by 5 less than 6 by 8. So this is the required ascending order. So first of all, we have to take the LCM of given rational denominators. Next, we have to find out the LCM. Afterwards, equating the denominators. So we should get the denominator 280 for all the rational numbers. Then only we can compare easily according to numerator. Okay, children, note down. Minus 3 by 2 less than 1 by 7 less than 3 by 5 less than 6 by 8. Next, arrange the following in descending order. Okay. Next, fifth Roman I will explain. Children. Fifth Roman, first one A. Now, up to now, we have done ascending order sums. Now, descending order sums, we have to do this. First A, 8 by 5, 3 by 2, 1 by 6, and minus 5 by 6. Solution. See, LCM of 5, 2, 6 and 6. So 5, 2, 6, 6. 5 is not divisible by 2. That's why 5 only we have to write. 2 1 ja, 2 3 is 2 3 is. Again 3, 5 is not divisible by 3, so that's why 5 only. This is 1, 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja. Next 5 1 ja. So LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 5, 30. 2 3 is 6, 6 5 is 30. Next, now 8 by 5. 8 by 5 is equal to 8 by 5 into 5 6 are 30. That's why 6 by 6. 8 6 are 48. 5 6 are 30. Next to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2 into, we have to get the denominator 30. That's why 2 15 are 30. That's why numerator also multiply with 15. 3 15 are 45. Next to 1 by 6. 1 by 6 is equal to 1 by 6 into 6 5 are 30. That's why 1 5 are 5, 6 5 are 30. Minus 5 by 6. That is equal to minus 5 by 6 into 6 5 are 30. 5 5 are minus 25 by 6 5 are 30. Now, minus 25 by 30 less than 5 by 30 less than 45 by 30 less than 48 by 30. Actually, this is ascending order, but we have to write it in descending order. That's why big to small. That means 48 by 30 is greater than, next 45 by 30, next 5 by 30, last minus 25 by 30. So 48 by 30, that means 8 by 5 is greater than 45 by 30 indicates 3 by 2 is greater than 5 by 30, that means 1 by 6 is greater than, that is minus 5 by 6. So this is the required descending order. Okay, children, note down this one. Eight by five, 3/2. Okay, next okay, next one more problem I will explain. D 4/5. This is also same descending order. We have to write 1/7, 7/4 minus 2/5. Okay, children, this is also we have to complete. Observe here. First of all, we have to find out LCM of 5, 7, 4 and 5. That means 5, 7, 4, 5. 5, 7, 2 2s are 5. Next 2 2s are 4, 5 only. Next 5, 7, 2 1s are 5. Again 5, 5 1s are 7, 5 1s. So anyhow it is prime number only. That means 7 1s are 1, 1, 1, 1. Next, so LCM is equal to 2 into 5 into 7. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 27s are 140. So 140 is the LCM. Next, now first 4/5. 4/5 is equal to 4/5 into, we should get the denominator is 140. So 5 into how much is equal to 140? 5 2s are 10, 5 8s are, so 28. 28/28. Next 4 8s are 32, 3, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 112. Okay. Next 1/7. So 1/7 means 1/7 into, we should get the denominator is 140. 7 20s are, so 120s are 20. Next 7/4. So 7/4 means 7/4 into, we should get the denominator. Why? Because LCM is 140. That's why we should get the denominator 140. So 4 3s are 12, 4 5s are 140. Okay, 35s are, so 35. So 7 5s are 35, 3 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 3 24. Okay. Next minus 2/5. So minus 2/5 into, we should get the denominator is 140. So 5 28s are 28. 28 2s are, why? Because 5 28 already we have done. 28 2s are minus 56. Now descending order. Descending order. So descending order, which is bigger, 245/140. It is greater than, next 112/140. Next 20 by 140. Next minus 56 by 140. Next 245 by 140, that means it is 7 by 4 rational number. Next 112 by 140 means rational number 4 by 5. 20 by 140 means rational number 1 by 7. Minus 56 by 140 means rational number minus 2 by 5. So this is a required descending order. Understood, children? Note down descending order: 7 by 4, 4 by 5, 1 by 7, minus 2 by 5. So this is a required descending order. Next properties, already Ishwara sir explained properties of rational numbers. Okay. Next, this is exercise 1.1. Next we will discuss exercise 1.2 in next another class. Okay. This is my today's class. I hope you understood very well. Next, now I will give you homework. Homework. Exercise 1.1. Odd Roman A, B, C, D. Fourth Roman A, B, C, D. So all these four questions about ascending order. All these four questions about descending order. So these 8 sums you have to practice. Already here 2, the 4 sums I have already explained. The remaining here 2, these 4 problems you have to do your own. Otherwise I will explain in Zoom class. Thank you.